cliftontrafficattorney.com. Today I just want to speak briefly about what to do if you're involved in an automobile accident driving in the state of New Jersey. One thing I want to make clear is if you're involved in such an accident involving another car, a pedestrian, a bicycle, or whatever, even if you don't see any observant damage to the property or to a person, make sure the police are contacted. Because one thing you do not want to do is leave the scene of the accident and a couple days later have the police come to your door with tickets for leaving the scene of the accident. Don't think that because you left that you're free and clear, because these days everything is on surveillance cameras, people's smartphones, and so on. And you may find that someone took a recording of you or your car leaving that scene. And let me explain the consequences if you do leave the scene of an accident. If it's a first offense and it just involves property to another car, you may find yourself facing up to 60 days suspension of your license, fines of $200 to $400, and possibly even jail time. And if it's a second or third offense, those consequences go up. And in the unfortunate situation, if someone gets injured or dies and you left the scene, then you are facing jail, you're facing heavy fines in the thousands of dollars and loss of license for a number of years. So do not be tempted to think, oh, there's no one around, let me just go home and forget about it. In the event that you do, for some reason, leave the scene, make sure that you contact your insurance company and report any property damage to your vehicle or to someone else, that you get a police report, even if it's later, so that you take care of any possible consequences if someone does file a complaint against you, and that therefore the insurance company is taking care of any possible consequences that might have occurred. So again, if you need help, if you're ticketed in such a situation, feel free to call my office at 973-246-9659.